I know a really simple way to find out if 10 minutes of mindfulness really can transform your day. And yeah, you guessed it, we're just going to give it a try. So stay with me for the next 10 minutes and you can make your own mind up. And then let me know how you feel at the end. But first, how are you feeling right now? If your mind is feeling a bit busy or scattered or distracted right now, then that's completely normal. And that's why we're here, to use mindfulness to let the mind naturally quieten down, to refocus, and to find a little bit more peace and calm. But what is mindfulness? Well, mindfulness is simply noticing whatever's happening right now, but without any judgment or any pressure to change things. We'll gently explore mindfulness using the breath and the body, keeping things very simple, but very effective. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, and you can close your eyes if you like. And then let's begin by taking a few deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose if you can, and then breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in slowly, fill your lungs, and then breathe out with a nice long exhale. Once more at your own pace, take a nice deep breath in. As you breathe out, letting the body settle and relax. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm. No need to control it in any way. And then simply bring your attention to your natural breath. Notice when you're breathing in, and notice when you're breathing out. No need to change it or control it. Just bring your awareness to each time the breath flows in and to each time the breath flows out. You might feel your chest rising and falling, or the movement of your belly. Just gently notice it, one breath at a time. You might even notice the coolness of the air as you breathe in, and the slightly warmer air as you breathe out. Just keep noticing your breath for a little while longer. And now, as you continue to breathe naturally and comfortably, just begin to check in with your body. Notice any sensations you can feel in your body. Do you feel any sensations? Do you feel any tension? Perhaps in your shoulders, or in your jaw, or maybe you feel sensations in your hands. Notice any comfortable feelings, and notice any uncomfortable ones too. Just notice whatever you can feel, exactly as it is. Notice your feet resting comfortably on the floor. Feel the contact between your body and the surface beneath you. Notice your whole body resting here, supported, calm, and easy. And now gently shift your attention to the sounds around you, without needing to label them or to judge the sounds. Just notice them, coming and going. Notice any sounds close by. Notice any sounds farther away. And if you can't hear anything apart from my voice, then that's perfectly okay. Just the action of trying to hear whatever's around you is perfect. And if your mind wanders or begins to tell stories about the sounds you can hear, then that's completely normal. And just gently return your attention to simply listening. Good. Now gently bring your attention back to you. And you can keep noticing your breath or the sensations in your body, whatever feels the most natural to you. And as you notice the breath or the body, you may notice thoughts coming into your mind, pulling your attention away. And that's good. That's perfectly normal. It's just your brain braining, doing what minds do. But each time you notice this happening, gently acknowledge the fact that you're thinking, but without any judgment, and then bring your attention back to your breath or to your body. Stay with the breath or the body, and when your mind wanders, just smile at it and invite your attention once more back to the body or the breath. And now to complete this meditation, drop any attention on the breath, on the body, and for a little while, just do nothing. Rest quietly here. The body relaxed. The breath flowing naturally. Nothing to do. Just be. Good. And now begin to gently move your fingers and toes. You can blink your eyes open. And perhaps gently stretch your shoulders or your neck. Take a moment to acknowledge yourself for taking this 10 mindful minutes for you today. And why not join me for 10 minutes every day for the next 10 days, using this playlist on screen. I always keep things very simple and very effective. And you might be surprised how much of a change you can make in your life in just 10 days. And as I leave you now, I'm sending you peace, I'm sending you love, and I'm sending you happiness for the rest of your day.